Hey guys, we're here right now at Pico De Loro. We are here at Pico De Loro's hotel, our room for today. Staying here till tomorrow. We got here 2 queen-size bed, we got TV, huge mirror, we got cabinets in here. Check this one. Ta-da! Okay. Robe. Best part, we got a nice view of the lagoon, by the way.
Exploring Pico De Loro and Hamilo Coast, Nasugbu Batangas.
Hey guys, I'm Rodel Flordeliz of Nognog and for today I am here at Pico De Loro Sands and we'll be staying here until tomorrow. I'm actually in our room. This is my view. This is the lagoon overlooking the mountain. This is my room. Marco inside. We'll try to visit and try the other amenities here and the resort in just a short while. But for now, let's just take some rest. So for lunch, hey guys, for today, now heading to the activity center. We'll be doing some bowling and we'll be visiting using some of the amenities of the hotel. The room is upstairs. So this is the board game area. This is a place for the kids. Hey, billiards. So hey guys, mag-billiard tayo today and bowling. One of my favorite games. One of my least favorite games. Darts and bowling.
Tatlo po yung po sa inyo sa bowling. Tapos, bali tatlong game lang. Tapos yung dalawa po sa inyo sa dart. Tapos yung dalawa po sa
I can billiard.
basketball.
Ayoko ng basketball. Ayoko ng basketball.
So, yung dalawa po ng basketball.
So, pinapipili kami ng activities. We can play bowling, darts, or billiards. I'm gonna play billiards, of course.
Badminton.
Darts.
Darts and billiards naman.
Billiards and darts. Marco.
Ilan ba yung badminton? Isa lang dalawa.
Yes. Dalawa na. Kayo din dalawa magkalaban. Ready nang mag-bowling. Bowling. Ba't hindi ka nagdala ng socks? Ano ba naman? Yan, nakirap ka na sana kay Martin.
May socks ka ba?
Socks. Kaya sa bumili, sayang.
Darts na lang ako ba? May socks.
Buti pa si Mami Merns naka-ready. Bowling. And of course, ang pinili ko, one of my favorite sports, billiards. So I'll be teaming up with Ina, and after the billiards, we'll be playing darts. So first game will be darts. So transfer muna tayo dito sa darts area. So, yun yung goals guys. Kailangan daw mag-hit yung bullseye. matagal. Dahil sambahan natin. So I got deep fried. So bisitahin natin guys yung mga nagbo-bowling. Lou, Martin, and Ernst for bowling. Wala. Wala. Hey, ang galing ni Ina. 1 point. Woohoo! So guys, we're already done for Siyempre, nanalo kami. Now, moving on to billiards. Billiards. So now for the billiards, ang gagawin lang namin, shoot lang namin yung isang bola lang kailangan namin mag-shoot for today. So, kami out. So hey guys, we're already done doing the game, bowling and darts, billiards. Now we're heading to the basketball court and badminton court. Let's check out the teams that are playing there. They also got here a convenience store for, you know, for people who was hungry and wanted to grab something to eat or for pasalubong. Just want to show you, this is the basketball court, basketball area. They got, you can actually rent it here. And this is the badminton court. Wow, 75 points! Yes! Yay! Palakpakan para sa nanalo. So hey guys, nanalo kami. Team 1! Walang prize, but it's okay. Back to my original outfit. We'll be going out to watch the sunset. Whew. I'm actually climbing stairs going up this building to view the sunset. Sabi kasi nila here, dito raw yung best place to watch the sunset here in Pico De Loro. So, pagod na ako. Gosh, I really need exercise. Here, and there. Oops. I can already see how beautiful it is in here. Look at that.